Buckle up, you're about to drive off into the Behind the Speed D&M Racing mini-series, Episode 1. This is Michelle Henry. You know your favourite race car driver. With her father, Michael Henry, the infamous tree chopper and nitrous man on the West Coast. Together they're installing their 630 Who engine into their 03 Pontiac Grand Am. Michelle's currently competing in Big Tire, Pro Mod and Top Sportsman. Her future goals are to professionally compete in Pro Mod until something bigger is offered to her, along with reaching ETs of 3.90s to 3.50s, which would then make her the fastest black woman in a door car, competing on the West Coast. She is thrilled to see what's in store for her this year and would love for everyone to come out watch her run. Be sure to follow along on her drag racing journey.